In this video, we show you how to set up your Alienware Area 51 AAT2250. Before you begin, remember to use ESD protection when you're working inside the computer to ensure your personal safety. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver to complete this setup procedure. To avoid damage to the graphics card and PCIe holder during shipping, your computer is shipped with a mid holder. Before you start using your computer, you need to remove the mid holder. To begin, remove the safety screw and rotate the knob clockwise to the unlocked position. Then press the release button on the left side of the chassis and lift the cover away from the chassis. Slide the mid holder out of the chassis. Make sure to store it somewhere safe. If you need to transport your computer, ensure that the mid holder is installed to avoid damage. Align the tabs on the cover, then tilt the cover towards the computer until it clicks into place. Turn the knob counterclockwise to the locked position, then secure the knob by replacing the screw. Your computer is shipped with an external antenna. The antenna improves wireless communication strength and stability. While setting up your computer, place the antenna in a suitable location. To install the antenna, align and connect the SMA connectors to the SMA connectors on the chassis, and tighten the bolts to secure it to the chassis. Connect the keyboard, connect the mouse, display, and power cable. Now that you have set up your computer, press the power button to turn it on. Once you turn it on, personalize and manage your Alienware experience in the Alienware Command Center. Also, you can set up a dust filter maintenance reminder in the BIOS under Integrated Devices. By default, the dust filter maintenance is disabled. You can enable it by selecting an interval from the list. If you need more information or assistance, go to alienware.com.